So I want to take you on a tour. We're in Lake Las Vegas and we're checking out this Taylor Morrison home. It's a 3-car garage with pavers leading all the way up. Check out your double door entrance. You're going to come right in and you're going to look immediately up as you're going to see these nice high 20-foot ceilings. We have nice chandelier. You have tile on the floor, but we're going to make a right because we're going to go with the natural floor of this home. We have our coat closet right here. Very nice. And we have about 8 to 9 foot doors, which is nice too. Now, this is going to be your powder room right here. Nice with the white crystal countertops. And then this is going to lead us to our downstairs bedroom. Now come inside because each one have their own suite bath. Now this is priced at $1 million. Like I said, it's 4 bedrooms, which is very nice. And it's going to have about 4.5 baths. So come here. Now I wanted you to come right inside as you see your foyer, as you come and see how that home opens up completely. Then turn around and look at me. You're going to see that you have a nice bar addition. So to all my partiers that like to entertain, we're in Lake Las Vegas. White crystal quartz on your bar, and you have a nice little wine fridge right here already in for you, and tons of cabinetry with your backsplash. The home is already completely upgraded. And then you're going to turn around. Now turn around this one so you can see your great room. You're going to have this nice great room. As I told you, this one opens up to that 20-foot ceiling. You got your fireplace. I love the window placement. Tons of recessed lighting throughout the entire home. But come here. You're going to see that we have storage here. There is nice storage where you can store even more. Or you can even customize and do something else here. Maybe for the children. Who knows? But let's go this way. We're going to go right to our dining, and we're going to pass our dining and go right to our kitchen because we know that this is a chef's dreams. Everyone loves to cook in the kitchen, and I know you're probably dying to see it. This has a nice, lovely backsplash as you've seen in your bar. You have a nice 5-burner cooktop. Tons of cabinetry throughout the entire kitchen, recessed lighting, and I love this little platform they have for the roof where you can put LED lighting strip. Here you have nice light fixtures, and you have a nice island where you can put the bar stools, which is very nice. Refrigerator, oven, microwave, all included. Come check out your pantry now. Pantry is a great size, and I told you this is a 3-car garage, and I'm going to show you the garage access right here. Now, this is going to lead you to your 2-car garage where you can have that epoxy on the floor and some built-ins, which is very nice. I'm going to get to a great part where you want to entertain. So turn around here where you have your nice awning that's going to block that sun from hitting your home. You have recessed lighting here. The only thing that I wish they had different is to put some fans here because it gets hot in Las Vegas. But we in Lake Las Vegas, which is a little cooler. You have a nice seating area, but turn around and check out your pool and lovely rocks that it leaves right behind your backyard. Tons of statues. We're going to include that in all the sales as you should. Something that you want to entertain. We did not forget about all you dog lovers because you have a nice turf that really divides this place and makes your dog have a great living space. Now we're gonna go right inside. Now let's go inside so we can check out the bedrooms. And I know you're dying to check out the primary because you say, listen, I'm giving all of this for $1 million. I want to see what that primary looks like. I'm gonna lead you upstairs. Now watch your step. Now upstairs is gonna have the nice vinyl plank. Tell me what you think about the white railing, which is very nice. Now this is not just any tour. I'm telling you, it's a snow tour. So you got to keep it up. I told you, you have the nice carpet right here, so you can make sure that you don't have those tripping hazards. And we're going to make a left. And as soon as we make that left, we're going to be in another bedroom. You can see the natural sunlight coming into the room. You have a TV already there, so we might include that at the home. Talk to me. We'll get it there. And there's your nice ensuite bath, as each one of the rooms have quartz. I'm sorry, not quartz, granite. We have some nice storage space right here. You can look right down and see your guests enter into the home, and that's the chandelier that we spoke about earlier. Now come into your primary bedroom. Double door entry, nice and spacious. You have a beautiful light fixture. Coming into your primary bath, you're gonna have his and her sink with the granite countertops, white cabinetry. You have the shower and tub combo. And then you're gonna turn around, you're gonna see your water closet and your primary closet. Now check out those lovely built-ins already there for you. Price at $1 million. Avoid the chaos in Las Vegas on the strip and move to Lake Las Vegas. It's nice and quiet. Bed, 5 bath, and 3133 square feet. You're gonna come right into your laundry room right here. And this is actually new to me. This is a nice Samsung that's gonna let you dry clean your clothes, giving you that top tier service. Very nice. Last bedroom, which has nice sunlight coming in, window placement as well, nice light fixture, TV as well. And check out your last ensuite bath. And remember, my name is Antonio Snow. If you're ever shopping in Las Vegas, Nevada, make sure you reach out to me because it's not just any tour, it's a snow tour.